Hey guys, what's up? It was really good. Obviously, I have a ton of life updates for you guys because I mean, I've been gone for what? Is it like a month and a half? Honestly, don't worry. I will be giving you guys live updates, everything that's been going on. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been really consistent on there. I've been posting, I've been traveling all over the place. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. As you can see, I got some new hair. So I have new hair, and I've actually done this style before. If you remember, a few months ago I did something like this in black, and it was just all black, and it was this water wave, you know, type natural look, but it was just full black. So this one, it's a little different. It has ombre and I'm loving it. I'm obsessed. If you like this hair color on me, let me know in the comment section down below. Would you wear this hair, or would you want it to be in black like the one I did before? If you like these kind of videos and you just want to see more videos from me in general, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll continue to do it. Okay, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe because that one is already standard. No, that one's standard. Okay, I've got my box, and this hair, like I said, is, or I never said this, oops, it's from Premier Lace Wigs. I'm gonna leave a link to it down below. All the info that you're gonna need, I'm gonna leave it all down below. So I take it out the box, and it comes in like a really nice bag that actually you can use for storage, which is what I end up doing. So yeah, this bag, you take it out, and this is how it looks. So it's, like I said, it's got ombre. So we just wondering what's really going on, but you know when you just have faith. All my wigs from Premier Lace Wigs, they always turn out really great. So I'm always like, you know, I know wigs be looking crazy right off the bat. Always be prepared to do some work. Always, 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 okay? Yeah, and then inside the rest of the box, it has a few other things that you're gonna need to make this wig look snatched. All right, cool. So now I'm about to try it on because I wanna make sure it looks nice, and I don't wanna cut off the lace unless I'm sure, 100% sure that it's gonna be good. All right, let's try this on. So yeah, let's just continue. Forget about the fact that I look insane right now. Look at this color. Look at how it's blending in with my skin tone, making me look like a caramel goddess. Like what? Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to add the elastic band to the air tabs of both sides so that it can be really, really secure, and like the air tabs won't just be flying up and down like this, because currently right now that's what they're doing. You don't want that. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig and get to styling, because that's what we've been waiting for. We need to get this wig looking snatched. Alright, so now I'm about to just spray the wig with some, this has water, leave-in conditioner. I believe I used Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and then a little bit of argan oil in here as well. Whew. As you can see, I've wet this side and it's coming down. It's the curls I've formed. You know what I'm talking about. So now that I've done this side, I'm gonna get to this side. I always try to make beginner-friendly videos because most of the time I am a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing. So I always want to make sure you guys can get a sense of what to do right out the box without having to do like a fake scalp and all those kind of things, which is a little bit more complicated, and sometimes it's like, whoa. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that I can keep you updated, because I haven't even come back on YouTube yet. So I'm not ready. You guys are ready. You know, I have some great things in store, a few more hair tutorials coming out, but after that I'm going to be showing you, you know, vlogs and all these kind of things and possible moves to different cities in this, you know. But anyway, all right, well, thank you so much for watching, like I said, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I'll be done in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so I have my wig cap on and I'm about to show you the wig. Excuse me. Y'all, and the sun is not going away.